public.
You can leave or I help you.
You can't kick me out of a public place.
Either you leave or I help you leave.
No,
NC Tyrant Hunter.
When I'm telling you what to do, you're not my daddy. How about that?
Let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done.
Bam! Take that.
Hey, you kicking me out of this building.
Because you cannot.
What? I
you
cannot
are
what?
causing a scene
No,
and you're causing a disturbance.
No, I asked those ladies to do their job.
That's all I'm saying. Now go ahead and get out.
No.
Go
You
ahead
can't
and
kick me out of a public place.
Sir, I'm
no, you
asking
can't.
you
No, you can't. It's
for
the
the
law.
last
No.
time
You
to
put your
leave
hands
this
on me,
building.
and you will
Now,
lose
either
your
you
immunity.
leave-
You hear me?
choices.
Oh, I got no choice.
You got choices. Either
No,
you leave on your own,
No.
or I will
You call
handcuff
your
you
supervisor.
and call the police.
You call your supervisor.
Joel, I need your assistance because I'm putting this guy out. I'm gonna have the police come get him.
You call him. You call him. That's what you're going
Now,
to do.
either you
call.
leave on your
now,
own-
you give me 6 feet.
Either
By
you
your
leave-
policy, you give me 6 feet.
Leave on your
Give
own,
me 6 feet.
or you get.
Give me
Sir,
6 feet. No,
aggressing me.
I'm standing straight
Stop
up.
aggressing
You
me.
can't push it to me.
Stop aggressing.
Don't get. Look how close he is,
You-
people.
If you aggress me one
No,
more time,
I'm not aggressing you.
I'm gonna
Nothing.
handcuff you.
Handcuff me, motherfucker. That's
If
what
you-
you're going to do.
if you-
Handcuff me.
Get out.
No.
Sir,
no.
I can
You cannot
escort you
kick me.
out.
No, you can't.
I can.
You can't touch me.
I can.
You can't touch me.
Yes,
I'm in
I
a
can.
publicly
I can escort
accessible
you out.
area. You can't
Sir,
touch me.
if
What
I
law?
have to
What
ask
law
you
have
one
I?
more time,
What law have
I
I
will
broken?
escort you out.
What law have I broken?
Joel, I'm getting ready to handcuff and escort out the building.
Escort me, buddy. I tell you what, you touch me,
need
and
to-
I'll have your immunity
Call 911.
right now.
Call 911. Now, either you leave.
No. I'm
You
not
got two
leaving.
choices.
This is a public.
You can leave
no.
or I help you leave.
You can't kick me out of a public place.
Either you leave or I help
No.
you leave.
No. Do you know who I am?
I don't care.
I'm an auditor.
I don't care.
You can't
I
touch
don't
me, buddy.
care.
You can't touch me.
I don't care who you are.
You can't touch me.
Either you leave or I help you.
No,
leave.
you can't touch me. You put your hands on me right now, and I tell you, you will lose your qualified immunity right now.
Either you leave or I help
Do
you.
you want to lose your qualified immunity?
Leave or I help you.
Do you want to lose your qualified immunity?
I'm
Go
telling
ahead,
you,
go ahead,
leave
go ahead.
or I
Go
help
ahead
you.
under the cover of the law. Go
Leave
ahead, and I
or
will.
I help you
No,
leave.
you're fucking
Plain
my
and simple.
First Amendment, my Fourth Amendment, my Fifth
dude, you
Amendment.
can
Hey,
speak.
no.
Joe,
I don't care. I
what's
don't
the
care.
problem?
I don't care. It's this man right here.
He didn't want to give them information to cue him in.
I
And he
gave him
started
my
screaming
I
at
gave him my
Fraiser
information. I told him
and
who
the
I
young
was
lady
and
in.
what I was here for. That's all they need to
So-
know. They don't need to know my birthday. They don't need to know my phone number. That's policy. It's not
leave
law.
or
I
I'll
don't
help
care. You don't touch me.
telling
You
you.
touch me and you lose your immunity.
Listen to me.
No, I'm talking to this man right
You're
here.
escorted out by the police in just a minute.
Go ahead,
okay?
get him. Get him. That's
Leave
what
or
you
I'll help
do.
you leave.
No, you ain't touching me, buddy. I guarantee you that. You will pay me your everything you got.
Take him out there.
Take him.
Step out here with him.
Stake him. Because he's not going to go willingly. He,
A disturbance.
how do you want me to write this up?
Disturbing the peace is the second offense. What's the first offense?
Disturbance.
No. I'm not.
Out of the door,
No.
or I'll escort you.
No. You will lose your qualified immunity.
Out of the door,
you
I'll
touch
escort
me
you.
and you will lose it. I guarantee you that. Okay, I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Look at this. Okay, guys, you see this. You see, ow! You can't keep me out of a publicly accessible building, buddy. Oh, you pushed me over that edge and you're a dead motherfucker. You pushed me over
Did
that.
you just threaten me?
You just pushed me over. Hello.
Hey, sir.
Did you tell him he cannot take me out of a publicly accessible area?
Well,
Did you tell him he cannot touch me? Did you tell him that?
I wasn't
Did
here.
you? It doesn't. I got it on film. The man touched me, grabbed me, threw me over here, threw me into this door, and then turned
You just
around
tell me
and
to
had me over the edge.
Sir, listen real quick.
I don't.
You can't come in here acting like that. So you can't, if you want to come back another time when you've had time to calm down.
No. Let me
today,
explain something to you real quick. Can you step out here so people will listen? That's what I record. Okay, number one is, you don't need, those people up there do not need to know my birthday. They don't need to know my phone number. All they need to know is my name and who I am here to see. Period. That's it. According to your own policy.
I'm going to need you to back up.
Okay, you okay? I'll back up.
Thank you.
Number two is, I explained to them who I was here to see. I was here to see Miss S. Smith. I talked to her yesterday on the phone. She said to come in, tell the people at the front desk who I am, and they will call her and have her brought. She will come out and see me. Okay? What's so hard about that? I came here this morning, I gave her my name, and I told her, you need to call this lady because I'm not on the list to see her, but she's going to come out here and talk to me. And all of a sudden they want to do it. And then this guy gets behind me and says, oh, you can't do your... Wait a second. That's a publicly accessible building. I need your name and phone number, name and badge number, sir.
Okay.
I need it now.
Okay. Officer Williams.
You guys can go back in.
Thank you.
Yep.
Your name and badge number?
Detective Miller, 556.
All right. I need her name and her account number since she's a public official. And I need his name and his badge number because he's a public official. I need those two.
Okay.
If he comes up, he better stay right there or I'll get his name.
That's fine.
I need your name and your badge number, please. Right now, sir. I asked for
They've
it.
asked for you not to be back on the property today.
I asked you for your name and your number, sir.
Officer Otten, 842.
Thank you. Now,
Here's your glasses.
okay, now, I'm going to press charge against that man for throwing me against this wall, busting my head up against that, and throwing me over the edge.
Okay.
I want him arrested. I got it right here on film.
Okay. So the way that works is you would go down to the magistrate's office.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. I'll go around. I'll walk all the way around, and I'll get my car.
I can explain it to you down here off the property.
You can tell me right here. There's a publicly accessible
Well, since
sidewalk.
the property owner wants you off
This
the
is
property,
no. This is owned by the city, and owned by the city. Okay,
So-
okay. Who owns the city? The taxpayer. This is a public sidewalk. You can't make me get off a public sidewalk.
Come on.
No, I ain't going
This
nowhere.
is not a public sidewalk.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is. Is it accessible to that building right there? Is it accessible to what's what I'm going to say? Publicly accessible lobby?
So
Is that not a publicly accessible lobby? Is that
sidewalk
not a public sidewalk?
This is a public
Okay,
sidewalk.
this is part
an
of the
entrance.
building. This is part of the building,
Right.
and
But
this
if
is
they
part
want
of the
you
sidewalk.
gone,
No,
you have
you
to
can't.
go.
You can't trespass somebody off of it. You're trying to get me off. You know.
On there, that's fine. You can
This
go
is the same thing. Look, it goes around, comes up the steps, and comes
This
on
is-
up.
this is-
This is considered a
Stop,
sidewalk.
sir. They're city officials. We're city officials. This is city property, and we're asking you to leave city
You can't.
property.
You can't leave.
Yes,
you
we
can't
can
do
ask
that.
you to leave city
Check
property.
your law. I want your sergeant here. I want
Sergeant's right there.
Okay.
We're asking you to leave
No,
city
no.
property. We're city agents.
Sergeant,
Please
would you
leave the
explain this,
property.
man? You cannot kick somebody off of public property, especially when they have committed no crime. No crime. You guys better look it up. Better look it up. I'm telling you right now.
So what supposedly happened in there that they wanted you gone?
I came in. I called a lady yesterday,
Yeah.
and she said, "Come in, tell the people at the front desk who you are, tell them to call me, and I'll come out and see you."
Okay.
I'm not on the list for
Appointment. or
appointment.
anything? Yeah.
So I tell them who I was. I said, you need to call S. Smith, S. Smith is her name, and have her come out here. This is what she told me to do. Well, we need all this information. Well, you don't need no information from me. That's not the policy. Okay, that's not law.
So they were asking you for information. You
They don't need to know. That's like me asking you for give me your driver's license.
That's fair.
You see what I'm saying? Those
So-
two ladies at the front desk, according to their policy and according to the law, they don't need that information. All they need to do is know who I was, what I was there for, and help me out.
Okay.
Okay, and they didn't do it. And then that
Security officer.
security officer grabbed me. I'm talking, he threw me into this door, pushed me way over this way, almost caused me to fall over. That man lost his qualified immunity. I'll tell you that right now. My First, my Fourth, and my Fifth Amendment have been messed up because of that man right there. And now we're going into federal lawsuit because they are denying me public access to that building. You want me to keep on going further? I know the law. I'm a First Amendment auditor. You can't do this. They can't do that. Their policy does not override my constitutional rights.
So
So they don't know about it. No, 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 no. No, they are wrong. You guys are wrong, and I'm right. Now you go in there and you tell them I want to see Miss Smith, and I'll conduct my business. I'm not coming back.
So, no, I'm not going to tell Miss Smith that, or the people in there that. If
See,
they-
no, I'm not talking. I'm not talking.
Okay.
I'm not.
Well, we'll stand by that. Are you seeking health care or something like that? Or was this okay.
Hey, sir, I'm Sergeant Wilson with Jacksonville Police Department.
Badge number?
What's that?
Badge number?
600.
All right.
Okay. So, from the information I'm collecting, okay, is that you came in, okay, provided the limited information to the employees at the help desk,
Mm-hmm.
and when they couldn't assist you as far as where you needed to go,
What do you mean assist me?
you started to
What do you mean
yell
assist
at
me?
them and start
No,
calling
no.
them.
What do you mean by assist me? What do those ladies say I did that caused them not to be able to call S. Smith on the phone and have her come out to
Call
see
who?
me? And her name is S. Smith, Sienna or whatever. I can't pronounce the
What
first name.
department does she work for?
Medicare.
What's
And
that?
they Medicare, and they know it. I told them 5 times my name, who I was there to see, and what the lady told me on the phone to do yesterday. And these people denied me service. You better go in there because I'm fixing to own you guys.
Say what now?
You need to go in there and explain to them that they can't kick me out of a publicly accessible area, deny me my right to see the person I'm here to see.
Except that you start causing a disturbance.
No, 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 no. I didn't cause disturbance till that cop started coming over. Till that guy over there started coming over. I had no problem.
Until the security guard?
Yeah.
NC Tyrant Hunter.
When I'm
Tell me
done,
what to do. You're not my daddy. How about that?
let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done.
Bam! Take that.
Thank you guys for hanging out, man. I love all you guys. Make sure you hit up my store. Get some Tyrant Hunter merchandise. Hit that join button. Y'all have a good one, and always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.